Yes, Super Cup. A lot of lessons to pick out from the game. PSG play a fantastic game, and so PSG Champions League. You beat me abenya a club. What the Champions League, but the following season, not all disappointed.
I haven't the past or card the Champions League. Because French League and they say those.
Oh no, I'm not on a French League. Monaco, Lyon, Bubien, one more what it takes to compete them. But in the Champions League, I think that Luis Enrique, because I was sharing the body language in the posture or the from the 85th minute, and okay.
What happened?
Well, so simple. PSG team doesn't look good.
That's a Chelsea Shana, almost a PSG boom. They couldn't come out.
You could say Chelsea expose PSG vulnerability.
Because one Shana Keke.
Yes, so
good and what's what
it's a PSG team no now Chelsea clip na likely so because PSG na adwin say obesisan the way they play. They have a way they play, a pressing game, intensive game, any more dynamic movement from there in the middle. Now wing backs and now full backs are no ma ba add it to mfimfin, no ma overlap kwa any more, no ma kwa 3, no ma 5 omo your middle they look for. They have a way of playing. But Endra, Thomas Frank trying the good side and then a bad side.
Okay.
Or trying say a rookie manager obey him to learn. Or try say at the top level, no, you would need experience to be able to learn. And so we see all that in the game. Now, credit to Thomas Frank and say or game not to go and sit back.
Yes.
In the end game I hear where who said Tottenham defend, they didn't do that. Omo say almost bet me a controlling game na Abubi. And they had that approach and they worked. It was good. In fact, they to the extent that now who game no one careful you might think that Tottenham was PSG. It Oman call with that fear and I say yes we money no more let's be careful, let's sit back and let's defend. Even though it drew a certain time take lead no, then they started withdrawing. No almost started withdraw. After second goal ni buy crowd they almost decided to say PSG more ball and it didn't work for them. Now Tottenham once again proved to us say Angi Postecoglou there ka team no hwe ananka wo ye egu no Tottenham win ade no over Manchester United, but what you said there has been a change in terms of the way Tottenham ball under Angi Postecoglou and under Thomas Frank. Now Angi Postecoglou now we pia mu nyina na o mo abegina ni so mo bo press high press no mo nyina ba abegina ni mo no mo build a high line. And now Thomas Frank they a very cohesive team. Say team from Echre to Mfimfi to Enimu Honomono, ye ensure say ye setup, ye structure no, ye difficult to penetrate us. In the end, PSG found it difficult to penetrate. And big chances created, one for PSG. Big chances created, one. Big chances missed. And so Endra, it was 0 for PSG. Now, clearly, Charles, the Tottenham set up in a way, not a man yet ding for PSG to penetrate. And the Kaka was a PSG team, they thrive on spaces.
Okay.
Now, man, right, and the lives of Dembele, the lives of Doué, the lives of Kvaratskhelia, exploited spaces. So, omu need space. PSG team, no, they don't know what to do. There's tactical superiority at Thomas Frank issue. And also better and late tactical failure. And we are near me and you one. PSG train no say you be squad depth. Squad depth and they say team no. So mu gina mu nu so a
wo
quality a free treat me best game. And no more say PSG game ni nyina no mu free treat bench. Until Lee and Ramos and the best game no mu nyina wo e free treat no. If you don't know Ramos and Lee are much cheap to PSG. And your players are more bench woman. PSG in every day so to bench woman. Ramos was the lead striker for Portugal. It is only a bad player. On the best game. On the contrary, Tottenham game no more mobile almost number and almost omegu agrono. Enti se Van de Ven any Romero anything different any idea for Tottenham. So squad that contributed to this particular excellence as a team. Obi building new top players, not players need be good bench. And the amount team ni hu and 11 players a starting game, but the amount team ni hu and the fact that so be bread no be free trade ba or equally good. Idea ba once again a share nra e idea friend player quality.
Okay.
PSG for no more believe say a 1 minute cry na
you
could still change the game. The ball that say and I Tottenham so I say oh yeah dear na say I also why idea you know. So you get overawed. I almost Champions League winners 2-0. You are overawed under general a point here PSG losing game no. Now as on my dazed a brief of minutes well lead it 2-0 to 85th minute. In general the fact that the psyche of these two teams and yet they say PSG for the GD say they kept pressing omkoswa pressing ya knowing say a cat say na still now they can change the game. And then Tottenham for no so koswa so step a step back as a yaya dear akaka krebi before they realize and radia back was a play out. I was taking note and the fact that penalty shootout say you must ensure say only one penalty taker, and that in the team averagely when you crowd 5 good penalty taker there ensure say at every point in time prepare and it is and a decided game and for instance still a couple penalty we beat goalkeeper atono ho akọ right wababo na mabo na afanche just goalkeeper ni mo but the positioning and the posture of tell ensure say ball na nkasa nya de ball ne be kwa atenemo. So things that prove as these very things that we mentioned, but we could also mention Adiana all of a sudden Thomas Franco Bobo o first team tactics Saudi Arabia game are working to perfection. All of a sudden now we decide they capitulate Adiana we withdraw some shape no now Tottenham is under pressure. But along the line Obia a pre-season there but teams about break Tottenham players no they were tired than so tired
are they
omo like stamina. Because a pre-season, they better take time, kakra. Uboy, we better take time. Sana team no, I get into that element now. And they look tired. Utimi so around a quadruple 80th minute walk on. No more so. And Dembele cross or Ramos. I found Tottenham defenders in Obia bread. So stamina was a problem.